Buying the wrong dashcam can leave you blind when it matters most. Missed license plates, blurry night footage, or no proof at all. Please watch this video till the end, because today I'm revealing the top 5 best Amazon dashcams of 2026, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which dashcam gives you the best protection, clarity, and value for your money. All cover video quality, night vision, parking protection, and smart features. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. ROVE R2 4K Pro. The ROVE R2 4K Pro is a reliable single-channel dashcam for drivers who want high-quality recording without complexity. Review highlights. It records true 4K UHD video, includes built-in GPS tracking, and supports fast 5G Wi-Fi for quick video downloads through the mobile app. Its wide 150-degree field of view captures more of the road. Pros: true 4K UHD video recording, built-in GPS tracking, fast 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, wide 150-degree viewing angle, supports up to 528 gigabytes of storage. Number 4. ROVE R2 4K Dual. The ROVE R2 4K Dual is one of Amazon's most popular front and rear dashcams, offering excellent value. Review highlights. It records 4K front and Full HD rear footage, uses a STARVIS 2 sensor for improved night clarity, and includes a free 128GB memory card, making it ready to use out of the box. Pros: 4K front plus rear recording, STARVIS 2 sensor for better night footage, fast 5G Wi-Fi with mobile app, free 128GB card included. Excellent value on Amazon. Number 3. VIOFO A229 Pro. The VIOFO A229 Pro is a premium dual-channel dashcam trusted by enthusiasts and professionals. Review highlights. It features dual STARVIS 2 sensors, capturing 4K front and 2K rear video with outstanding HDR performance. Voice control, GPS, and advanced parking protection make it extremely reliable. Pros: dual STARVIS 2 sensors, 4K front plus 2K rear recording, excellent HDR night performance, voice control and built-in GPS, strong parking surveillance features. Number 2. REDTIGER F17 4K. The REDTIGER F17 is a triple-channel dashcam that offers full vehicle coverage at a competitive Amazon price. Review highlights. It records 4K front, HD 1080 rear, and HD 1080 interior footage, includes infrared night vision, built-in GPS, and comes with a 64GB memory card included. Pros: triple-channel recording coverage, 4K front camera, interior IR night vision, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi. Great value for full coverage. Number 1. 70mm 4K T800. The 70mm 4K T800 is the most advanced dashcam available on Amazon in 2026, offering features usually found in much more expensive systems. Review highlights. It delivers triple-channel recording, capturing 4K front, 4K rear, and HD 1080 interior footage with STARVIS 2 sensors, Wi-Fi 6, optional 4G LTE, ADAS safety features, and 24-hour parking mode. It offers unmatched protection. Pros: triple-channel recording, front, rear, and interior. Dual 4K cameras for maximum clarity. STARVIS 2 HDR night vision, Wi-Fi 6 and optional 4G LTE support, advanced ADAS safety features, supports up to 528 gigabytes of storage. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, the best Amazon dashcam of 2026. After comparing video quality, night performance, features, reliability, and value, the 70mm 4K T800 clearly stands out as the best Amazon dashcam in 2026, delivering premium protection without compromise. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the best deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.